Hello and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics workshop with me, Dr. Barami Hyowishai. Today's program will be about the collocation function in the AntConc version 4.1.0. Once your corpus is ready, you can click on the Collocate tab right here. And then you need to type the search term in the box here. And today we will use the word vary as an example. You can adjust the window span, which is how far from the node word the software should look for. You can also adjust the minimum frequency and also the minimum range. Okay. The range restricts the minimum number of texts the node and collocate must be found together. Let's use the default setting for the moment and click Start. Now the results are shown here. There are 18 collocate types and the total frequency of collocate tokens is 405. In the table, you can see the collocates, their rank, the total frequency of occurrences, the frequency when the collocates are on the left, and also the frequencies when the collocates are on the right of the node. Okay. You can also see the range here, and you can see the likelihood statistics and the effect size statistics here. Okay. Likelihood is the statistical test that measures the probability. Simply put, it measures how sure you can be that the search term and the co-occurring words are collocates. It is not by chance. The effect size, on the other hand, measures how strongly the node and the collocates are attracted to each other. We can change the settings for collocates by clicking on the Setting tabs and then select Tool Settings. And then you can go to Collocate. The likelihood measure is based on log likelihood statistics. The default threshold is P lower than 0.05, with Bonferroni correction, but you can make changes. If you click on the drop-down menu. The effect size is based on mutual information statistics, and you can change the cutoff point here. And if you make changes, you need to click Apply to make it work. Alright, so that's it for the collocation function. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.